Christine Fitzgerald from Perfect Squares Tutoring. Today's question is, determine whether the following functions are odd or even. A, fx is x to the power of 6, take 5x squared. B, fx is negative 3x cubed. And C, fx is x squared plus 2x, take 1. Right, to test whether a function is odd or even, you need to substitute negative x. So, we'll start with A. Fx is x to the power of 6 minus 5x squared. And I need to substitute negative x into that. So, if I replace x with negative x, I get negative x to the power of 6, take 5 times negative x squared. Simplify. Positive x to the power of 6, because it's an even power, minus 5 times positive x squared, because 2 is also an even number. And that's fully simplified. So now I want to ask myself, is it the same as what I started with? Well, yeah, it's exactly the same. It equals f of x, and therefore f of x is an even function. Okay. If f of x is the same as f of negative x, it's even. Now question B, f of x is negative 3x cubed. To test whether it's odd or even, sub negative x in. So negative 3 times negative x cubed. It's negative 3 times negative x times negative x times negative x. It's going to be negative. Negative because it's an odd power. And then these two negatives multiply to a positive answer. So is this the same as what we started with? No. So it's not an even function. Is this the exact negative of what we started with? Yes, it is. So that's the definition of an odd function. So to set my working out nicely, I'll write it's the negative of f of x. Therefore, f of x is an odd function. And now for C. fx is x squared plus 2x, take 1. Odd or even? Let's test it. F of negative x, now sub that in, negative x squared plus 2 times negative x, take 1. That's positive x squared. This is take 2x, take 1. And ask ourselves, is this the same as what we started with? No, it's not. Is this exactly the negative of what we started with? No, it's not. The x squared is the same, the 2x has changed sign, and the 1 is the same. So it's not that every sign has changed. It's not odd either. And there's many, many functions that are neither. Now, for the setting out of this, I would say it's not equal to either f of x or negative f of x. It's not equal to either of those. So it's not even, it's not odd. Therefore, f of x is neither even nor odd.